I'm going to now talk specifically how you develop an agent using the SIF Common Framework and give you a few pointers. Where do you start? Even though it says Java there, it's pretty much true for the .NET as well, what I'm going to talk about. There's a few differences, and when you do the exercise, we will assist you in the differences, but generally, it's very much the same. So for today, we use a local sys on your machine. Tomorrow, if we will check out the network, it's all working, we will try between each other a bit towards the end, right? Send a message from one guy to another and forward back. Get the real thing to work. In theory, we could even use, if you've got the internet up and running, we could even use a sys email. So in fact, when you download the SIF Common Framework from the conference site, you just start it and you will talk to sys email them straight out of the box, assuming your firewalls don't prevent it.
So the .NET version just talks locally, but you can change the setting to talk to Melbourne.
Yep. Now, what you need for your agent development today, again, I will set the scenes for the exercises, but then I kind of leave it up to you to work through them. We will assist, of course, but we also expect you to go through the various bits of documentation that will assist you in finding the right bits of information. We've got Java doc for the SIF Common Framework. It's on the SIF Common project doc in the project under Eclipse. You will find it there. There's a developer's guide. It's on that disk being provided. It's on the documentation Java. You will find the developer's guide. How do I write an agent? Go through the bits and pieces. You can use the SIF demo project as an example how it has been done there. It deals with a few objects, has a few publishers, a few subscribers. Please look into that, because that might help you in some of the exercises as well. Sometimes people are very good at learning by example, so use that as well. There's a Java doc from Pearson, because some objects are exposed throughout the SIF Common Framework, like a SIF query. When you get to that, it's still a SIF query. I didn't write another wrapper around because the wrapper is good enough for what it needs to be doing. So I have no other wrapper there. So you will have to look into the Pearson's Java doc. Again, provided on the documentation. There is documentation Java, there's somewhere the Pearson bit. SIF AU specification, also under the documentation right there. You will need this mainly when you deal with objects, because you need to know student personal. Which fields are student? What is the student personal made up of? So you have to unzip that zip file, and then you got like a Java doc. You can go through that for all the student person, school info, whatever objects you want to deal with.